Hi my friends, welcome back to another unboxing video. So today we're showing you guys this steam humidifier. Let's go ahead and show you what you get inside the box. So guys, the unit comes fully protected, fully sealed. They give you a remote, a cleaning brush, and a manual. Let's go ahead and peel this off and get a good look at it. Alright guys, go ahead and pop off the lid, and as you guys can see, you have your little tank. So you can fill this up with water. Make sure you go ahead and take off the plastic around the float. So you're going to want to go ahead and fill this with water. Do not fill over the max line. So keep it under the maximum line. So once you fill this with water, then you can go ahead and turn it on. Do not turn it on until you fill it with water. Alright, we can go ahead and turn it on. Now that we got water inside, give it a minute or two. So it's going to take a little time for it to heat up before it's ready to be used. So just walk away, give it a little time. So I don't know if you guys can see the steam, but it's slowly starting to steam. And that's how it works. You got timer, you got sleep mode, so you can set it for a timer if you want. It will steam more as you let it go. So you can kind of hear it boiling. So it's starting to boil. And it's starting to steam even more. I don't know if you guys can tell, but in person, I can easily see it. And that's how it works.